everyone, Christina here with Club La La Land Crafts June 2019 kit that I want to show you, along with two of my projects that I made for the kit. So the kit this month has a fun Fiesta Latino theme that we have your exclusive stamp here with Fiesta Marci. And we have 3 chihuahuas with a bunch of sentiments that are fantastic called I Chihuahua. And then you have the 3 exclusive die cuts, which is Fiesta Word, Taco, and Guacamole. It's a $77.95 value, and you can get all of this for only $39.99, which is a pretty good price. So the first stamp I want to show you is the very lovely Fiesta Marci with her 2 sentiments, Let's Fiesta and Hey Chica. As you can tell, this is a very deeply etched stamp, and it comes with the cling back. You just peel the paper off and then stick this to any of your blocks or your Misty, whatever you want to use. I actually keep the paper on mine just so that it doesn't stick to anything else, and they are good quality and last a long time. Now the other stamp set that is just absolutely adorable is these 3 little chihuahuas, and the name of the stamp set is called I Chihuahua. You have the sentiment of I Chihuahua here, Let's Taco About It, Taco Tuesday, Muchos Gracias, Fiesta Like There's No Mañana, and Holy Guacamole. This little stamp set is so cute, and it's a lot of fun to go with little Fiesta Marci. So the die cuts we have are 3 die cuts that again coordinate with the 2 stamp sets. We have the taco shell with the lettuce here, and the taco shell is fun because you can either fold it in half and use it as a hard taco, or you could even use it as a flour or a corn tortilla for the shell. Now the guacamole set, you can see mine is still put together. And I do that because I lose little things. If you're like me, don't worry. If you don't disconnect these lines, you can still cut everything out perfectly well with these little connections not showing. And it's fantastic because you can actually cut 2 or 3 of these at a time. The die cuts are pretty fantastic. So, and then you have my favorite, which is the Fiesta. And this is a lot of fun because I think it's so creative with the pepper as an I, and then the lime or the lemon or orange, whatever you want to use the slice for, is the E. So it's a really fun die cut, and they actually, when you die cut it, they all come apart. So you can use part of it or you can use some of it. It's pretty fantastic. Now my project that I'm going to show you, this first one is, I'm not sure what to call it to be quite honest, but it's like a little mini recipe book that you could give to a friend or a relative. But I used the Fiesta along the top, and then this is just a little belly band. And then I did some stenciling with just a piece of regular cardstock, and I cut out the new doily die, and I just stenciled it on there. So this is the little chihuahua, and then I colored her the way that my little chihuahua looks, and then you can pull these out. But you have the guacamole die cut with the bowl and then the guac and the chips, and then I added the little lime from the Fiesta die. And then here's the other 2 little things. These come out as well. And then I did the 2 other chihuahuas, so I used all 3 chihuahuas on this with 2 of the sentiments, the Holy Guacamole and the Fiesta Like There's No Mañana. And then I used the pepper. So it's a lot of fun with this. So one thing about my projects that I like to do when I'm making stuff from the kit is I like to try and use the same things or make them coordinate just like the stamps sets do. So when I stamped all this on here, or stenciled this on here. I took the stencil, the cardstock that I used for the stencil, and I just put it on here after I stenciled everything on because it matched so well and looked so nice. As you can tell, I used the Fiesta Marci, and she's absolutely cute with her little leg kicking out while she's dancing. And then I used the Fiesta again. I had a little bit of a mistake on the F. I had red fingers and got red on my F, but then I was like, how fun would that be if it looked like the pepper was just so hot that it was burning the F? So that's why I did the F that way. But I've got the little taco up here and another little chili pepper. Marci is just so cute and she's so fun to work with. And these are my two projects with the kit. Okay, so these are the two projects that I made. As you can see, it's so much fun working with the kits and how everything coordinates together and looks really super cute and fun. So you can get the kit all together for $39.99. But if you, like I said, if you just want the stamps, it's $19.99. Or if you just want the die cuts, it's $29.99. So if you get the whole project kit, it's actually a lot more fun if you get everything that coordinates together for just $39.99, which is the best value. So again, I hope you had a fun time looking at my projects, and I will see you next time.